Hello, in this video I will show you how you can insert SIM card to POCO M7 Pro. So on the bottom of your phone you can find this SIM card slot, so take this SIM eject tool which comes inside of POCO M7 Pro box and put it inside of this small hole over here, just like that, and it should click. And now take it off very carefully because it's easy to break. So now when it's done, you can find over here SIM 2 slot and also SIM 1 slot because this phone is dual SIM. So now take your nano SIM card and place it in the SIM 1 slot, for example. Place it with this cut. As you can see, this is the cut over here, and on this SIM slot you can also find this cut over here, so you have to place it just like that with this cut over here. And as you can see, it's fit perfectly. So now take your POCO M7 Pro back and now place it just like that on this side. Place it just like that, and basically that's all that works. So thanks for watching and subscribe this channel.